Well, I think it would have been rude not to start a crazy Saturday, not in Nero. Hello, cheeky. Sorry, we'll wait. And action. So when Mullet was walking to mine earlier, he said, I walked past a house which was fully decorated for Halloween.
Fully Halloween.
We thought we'd come and look at it. I think they're getting ready for a Halloween party tonight.
10 out of 10.
That is good effort. I wouldn't want to clear it up though.
Caution tape.
I kind of want to see all of the, I don't know, zombies, deaf people.
Get that out of the hedge. It's gonna think.
Look at it, it goes all the way round.
It's quite spooky.
That is. I kind of want to see what they look like. Are they actually real people, do you reckon? There's a clown. Zombie clown. It's a good effort.
It's all their stuff.
Is it?
So much. They said, oh, can we put it in yours? And we were like, yeah.
Are they having a Halloween party then or something tonight?
Well,
Tomorrow.
It's Monday technically.
Yeah, that's cool. Anyway guys, have a good one. See you later. Welcome to Tesco's. Crazy Saturday just got a little bit crazier. Listen to a little bit of ghetto gangster music.
Cheers.
On the way over. Now I'm going to get myself a little sandwich. I've done the schoolboy era of coming in hungry and got too many snackers. So you're doing alright there, mate.
I'm fine.
I thought I'd just get everything I can literally carry in one go.
From Monday, Thursday to Wednesday, I'll be so crazy. It's not what I tried for.
So Mullet,
Hello.
crazy Saturday's been rather crazy today.
It was absolutely mental.
It's probably one of the craziest Saturdays we've had in a while.
Most of it was so mental you just couldn't film it.
I know, that's
it
the
wouldn't be
thing.
allowed on YouTube. Really do anything. No,
One or the other. We went to Tesco's, that was pretty wild.
That was mental. That was mental.
So, and on that bombshell.
Oh, you can't. That's someone else's.
Am I not? Is that copyright?
It is.
Is that, oh, damn
Copyright
it.
Top Gear. Hang on, Top Gear's gone.
Exactly.
Oh, you can have
and on that bombshell.
Hey.
See you tomorrow. And I'll tell you what, the camera's coming out now. That was the chicken and ribs.
Nice.
I can't actually remember the last time I came in Wetherspoons. I reckon it's 5-6 months ago maybe? A long time ago, but me and Dad thought, you know what, let's come in, have a little bit of food. Gone for a chicken burger, a little bit of avocado. Californian apparently, is that a Californian burger? I have no idea. Looks pretty scrummy though.
In there, bacon.
Bacon, chicken and avocado. Yeah, it looks good. I'll stand on this.
Stand on a chair.
That'll be alright. So the other day I was talking to Dad, and as you know we have like these kind of really cool blue lights in here, which are these lights along there, and I was saying to him, why don't you get those, like the 5 meter length strip of LEDs which I put around my consoles and stuff. So he bought a 5 meter length of like red, white, blue, whatever it is, whatever the colours are. So we're basically going to chuck them along the top of here, which I think would be cool, because then you can have cool colours, and it's something which you were actually going to do years ago, probably, and never got around to it. So he literally ordered them yesterday, and they got delivered today. Oh yeah, so he's already got these lights in here. Already, let's see his lights there, his lights here. What on earth is this rubbish? What are we doing? There we go. Basically, the house is going to just turn into a massive neon party soon, because we just love cool looking lights. Oh, sorry, Pooch. So you basically want my help to drag it along there?
Ravel.
This is going to be difficult. This is going to be difficult.
Oh, you're playing more now.
Yeah. Yeah, start with your end. Stick yours on. These are different in mine.
Are they?
Yeah. This has got like a plastic coating on top of it. Slowly but surely.
We might need a bit of blue tack on that.
Bit of duct tape or something to hold it on.
I reckon. Hang on, James.
Smack my head.
Who smacked my head? You got the camera going?
Yeah. Tell you what, that's flipping perfect.
That's marvellous actually. So if we bundle this a bit here, it'll light up this, loom up this corner, nice.
I'll tell you what, it's like we're in the flipping Millennium Falcon now.
That is pretty cool, James.
Change the colour.
Pretty cool. We're gonna go for a boom.
Oh, look at that.
is nice.
Pimp my kitchen. That does look cool. I like the colour, the first colour we had it on.
Which one was that?
It was like all three of them. All three colours on. Yeah. That's flipping lovely. That looks so nice.
Right?
Yeah. That is sick! So tomorrow morning, first thing, like bright and early, kind of like before I'm comfortable getting up, I've got to get up at like 6 AM, and I know some people are like, that's not early. That's flipping early for me. I've got to get up at 6 AM and then we are driving all the way to London because we are going to Comic-Con in London, which I'm so flipping looking forward to, which kind of means that I'm not going to be having a late night tonight, and tonight kind of is the Saturday just before Halloween, which is normally party night. Normally I would be going out and having fun and dressing up as a zombie or something and going out and partying, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm going to be staying in, having an early night, because like I just said, I've got to get up super duper early. But that does mean that I need to get fuel to be able to drive to London, so I'm actually on the way to the fuel station right now to fill up with fuel, so I don't have to do it in the morning basically. So I'm just going onto my YouTube channel at the moment, and I've just noticed that my ultimate pumpkin carving video, which I released like 5 days ago, I think it is almost on 3,000 views. Now that for me, for my channel, is a very good performing video. It's like, it's super good to see the video get a lot more views than what I get kind of on a daily basis. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for kind of liking and sharing and passing that video around and stuff, because obviously you've really helped out by getting it to almost 3,000 views. It might even be on 3,000 views by the time you see this, because it's actually had over 1,000 views in the last 24 hours. When I looked at it yesterday and looked at it now, it's had like literally over 1,000 views, which is incredible. So hopefully you guys have like really enjoyed that one. I will put the link in the top line of this description again, so if you want to go and share it, because literally tomorrow for you is Halloween, so it'd be so cool if you guys can just get it kind of shared around and stuff, kind of, because it is Halloween and it's kind of a cool pumpkin carving video. And you know, I literally just said that I used to love dressing up for Halloween, put a lot of like time and effort into like the makeup and what I would go as, dress up as. I've just come across a picture now of what I dressed up as 4 years ago, I think it was, and I think now it still is flipping awesome. Check out that makeup which I did on myself. That was so flipping cool. And I don't know if any of you guys have noticed, today I've had this kind of like scratch along the side of my face. Have any of you guessed where I got that from? It was from last night when I was playing with Poochie. He jumped and he kind of like, he clawed me in the face, but it was like, I just love playing with that little Poochie boy. But anyway, dudes, I think this is where we're going to be ending today's vlog. Apologies that this is actually kind of a bit of a raw, nothing really kind of happened type vlog today, so sorry about that. But honestly, tomorrow is going to be flipping awesome and epic, and it's going to be, it's honestly such a good flipping day. I'm so looking forward to it. Comic-Con in London is upon us, and me, Holly and Mullet are going, and it's going to be great. So please tune in, same time, same place tomorrow to see that one. I will now leave you guys with those 3 very important things, which are, as always, stay happy, stay positive, stay awesome, and I will see all of you very, very early tomorrow morning. Goodbye.
Oh my god, say goodbye.
Yeah, we gotta say goodbye. Bye, Mum. Bye, Mum. Bye, Mum. See you later, Mum. Doodles.